sink in. I'm going to back off, and then I'm going to set some tension with a body lean. And then I'm going to take this other hand where the base of the occiput is, and I'm going to pull it and force that to come through just like that. I'm not moving a lot, it's coming right to me. Now I'm going to get some of my depth and tension by pushing in, and then I'm going to set my tension just like that, and that loads that up. Now all my motion is going to come from this opposite hand. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to slowly pull that occiput over just like that. So we're here, going to fulcrum in, we're going to sink in just like that, we're going to back off, set some tension, and then I'm going to pull with this opposite hand and force that scar tissue and that nerve to roll over here.